In this video, we will show you how to perform hardware diagnostics using Lenovo Vantage. The Lenovo Vantage app is available for free from the Microsoft Store. Open Lenovo Vantage and then select the Health and Support tab. On a Legion PC, click the System Tools button and then click on Health and Support. Click the Run a Hardware Scan button. You have the option to run quick tests or run custom tests. Quick tests on the entire system will take just a few minutes to complete and will run all the basic tests to verify your computer's hardware functionality. Click OK to begin and make sure you are not using your PC while the tests are running. Custom tests on the entire system may take up to an hour to complete based on your system's hardware configuration. You can choose to run the test on any combination of components. As a default option, all the items are selected. You can deselect the ones you don't want to scan. Once you are ready, click Scan. Click OK to begin, and make sure you are not using your PC while the tests are running. At the end of the test, you will see the test results. Click View Result and then click Save to export the result to an HTML file. Below each individual test result, there is a result code. If a Lenovo support agent asks you to run the test, use this code as proof. The most recent test results are also automatically saved for your convenience. Click the View Latest Results button.